Hello and welcome to UDN'S Marketing Solutions. Today I'm going to talk about how to get leads for your course. The first thing that everybody is doing, and you should do too, is social media. It's organic and it's free. The way to do it right is basically to post about your knowledge, your expertise about what you know. Social media can include YouTube, it can include Instagram, it can include Facebook. I recommend Facebook group and your Facebook profile, and it can also be Twitter and LinkedIn articles. The way I usually recommend is not spamming, not only sell, but also create printable stuffs, people that can download free checklists in order to enter to your email list. So the next thing is email list. So the more email subscribers that you have, the more chances it's going to be visible. Now, there are landing pages that I do recommend. It's OptinMonster is one of them. And I recommend even more, check in the description below. And let me know if you agree that email subscribers is a must. Give me a thumbs up so I know that you agree with me. The next thing is podcast. Podcast, basically you're appearing as a guest and you are talking about your course. You are talking about your product, about your service, about your expertise. And that audience from the podcast is actually going to sign up to your email list or follow you on social media. So you are kind of like attracting new audiences to your audience, kind of like you're growing your clients. If you want to join my list, being as a guest, let me know in the comments and I'll send you the link for the sign up. The next thing is blog. The reason I recommend blogs is basically it's SEO, search engine optimization. So whoever Googles up for a certain topic and your blog pops up, and kind of when they read your blog is basically leading them towards signing up to your course. So blog is also kind of like sharing your expertise so they can follow you also on social media and sign up to your email list. If you want to know about how to grow your email list, I have the card here that you can just see for yourself what exactly is going to work for you. And the last thing is ambassadors or your current students. So your ambassadors, current students can give you testimonials, case studies that you can share everywhere on social media, on email or blog, or even your podcast. Find out the right people. If you don't have anyone to have talk about your course, or you don't have any testimonials, then hire influencers. You can download my lead generation checklist for other ways you can promote your course, and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos like this. And if you stick around with me for more, check out these 2 videos to find out more about podcasting and also to find out more about lead generation.